Students, today we will learn about the chapter The Stone Age, A Wandering Life of class 5. Here you can see a picture of early humans of Stone Age. The Stone Age was the time when the early humans used mainly stones to make tools for various purposes. The specific feature of this period is making of stone tools. Now here you can see some points you can write in your copy. That is, the early humans did not have knives, so they had to build weapons from the materials above to them. The earliest people also made tools with sharp edges. Point number 3. No written records of how the early humans lived. Now, we have to know about the phases of Stone Age. There are 3 phases of Stone Age. Number 1, Paleolithic Age or Old Stone Age. Number 2, Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age. And number 3, Neolithic or New Stone Age. Now we will discuss about the Old and Middle Stone Ages. There are different sources. The first source is tools. The tools used by the early humans were made up of stone. Since they did not have tools, the tool makers used to hit one stone with the other till it reached a sharp edge. Early humans made tools and weapons that could easily fit into their hands. Over time, the tools got thinner and sharper. As tools were made up of stone, this period is also called a Stone Age. Now we have to know about the different tools in different phases of Stone Age. First is the Paleolithic Age. Paleolithic Age or Old Stone Age was the longest of the Stone Ages. It stretches from 50,000 BC to 10,000 BC. Large pieces of stones that time were shaped into various types of tools like hammers, hand axes, etc., which had sharp edges. Even bone and wooden tools were also used. Now the next is Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age. This Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age extended roughly from 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC. During this Mesolithic Age, stone weapons became smaller and sharper. Smaller tools called microliths replaced the earlier heavy tools. In this age, small, sharp stone tools that could be fitted onto wooden arrows or spears. Here you can see some picture of tools. In the last age, that is Neolithic age or New Stone Age, it extended roughly from 8000 BC to 4000 BC. During the Neolithic age, the ancient humans learned to make polished stone weapons. Here you can see some pictures of this Neolithic age, means the weapons of this Neolithic age, that is axes, bows, arrows, etc. The next source is shelter. Caves used as shelter, and here the people probably lived when it was wet or cold. Some caves have the bones of animals also. Here you can see a picture of a cave with early humans where they live. The third source is art. In several parts of the world, drawings and paintings have been found on the walls of caves.